markets. Topics include consumer behavior, how individuals make choices based on preferences, income, and prices. Producer behavior, how firms decide what to produce, how much to produce, and at what cost to produce. Market structure, analyzing competition, monopolies, oligopolies, and market equilibrium. Resource allocation, studying how resources like labor, capital, and land are distributed. For example, analyzing how a rise in coffee prices affect consumers' demand and cafes' profits. Macroeconomics examines economy as a whole, focusing on aggregate variables. It includes topics like national income, output, measuring GDP, GNP, and economic growth, inflation and employment, studying price levels, purchasing power, and joblessness. Monetary and fiscal policy, analyzing government spending, taxation, and central bank actions. International trade and finance, exploring trade balances, exchange rates, and global economic interactions. For example, evaluating how interest rate change by a central bank affect national inflation and employment. Other branches, development economics, focuses on improving economic condition in developing nations, addressing poverty, inequality, and growth. International economics studies global trade, foreign exchange, and economic integration. Public economics analyzes government policies, taxation, public goods provision. Behavioral economics integrates psychology to understand irrational decision making. Environmental economics examines the economic impact of environmental policies and resource sustainability. Applied economics. Economics applies to real-world issues like healthcare, education, agriculture, and technology. It informs policy making, business strategies, and individual financial decisions. For example, using economic models to design carbon taxes to combat climate change. Economic methodology employs tools like mathematical models, statistical analysis, and econometrics to test theories and predict outcomes. Uses qualitative and quantitative approaches to study economic behavior and trends. Key characteristics of the scope: wide applicability. Economic applies to personal finance, business decisions, government policies, and global issues. Interdisciplinary reach. It intersects with fields like sociology, political science, and environmental science.